The entertainment world is not only dominated by actresses from Western countries, there are also celebrities from the eastern part of the world who are worthy to mention, not only because of their achievements, but also because of their beauty and hotness. Among thousands of pretty Asian celebrities, I would like to list here the top 10 of hottest Asian models and actresses. These beautiful Asian actresses are both sexy and talented. This list includes short bio such as birth date, height and upcoming movies. These may be actresses on the big screen or small screen. Either way, they are all incredibly beautiful Asian ladies. Here are we presenting the list of top 10 hottest Asian models and actresses of 2021. Have a look. Let's start with number 10, Bianca Bai. Bianca Bai, born in 1982, is one of the most respected female actresses in East Asia. The Taiwan-born actress was already known as a famous model once she graduated from high school. She was a pretty remarkable model before finally deciding to shift her career to be a movie actress. Number 9. Zhang Jia. Zhang Jia is one of the most popular Chinese film actress and model. She was born on 9 February 1979. Her upcoming movies Godzilla vs. Kong. Number 8. Chri Si Cho. Chri Si is one of the most popular hottest Chinese models and actress. She was born on 22 May 1985. She is a Chinese actress and popular celebrity model from Hong Kong. Number 7. Taeyeon Haseen. Taeyeon can be described as Pamela Anderson from Asia, who is always able to attract the attention of men with her beauty and sexiness. She was born on 11th November 1975. Number 6. Lin Hung. Lin Hung is a Hong Kong-based fashion model and actress, originally from mainland China. Best known for her beautifully shaped breasts in Hong Kong's modeling scene. Hung born in Nanjing of People's Republic of China. Number 5. Lin Chi-ling. Lin Chi-ling is a Taiwanese model and actress. She is famous for her gentle smile and physical beauty. Lin has been referred to as the first face of Taiwan by members of the Taiwanese media. Number 4. Du Juan. Du Juan is a fashion model, film actress and former ballet dancer. She has been touted as the world's first in Chinese supermodel, the first Asian model on the cover of Vogue Paris, and has appeared on the cover of Vogue China 11 times. 3. Guy Lee Lock. Guy Lee Lock is a famous Hong Kong model, magazine cover girl and actress. She was born in Macau to a Chinese father and a Vietnamese mother. She made her film debut starring in the 2000 romantic film I Do and subsequently appeared in another film entitled My Sweetie in 2004. Number 2. Fan Bingbing. Fan Bingbing is the one who deserves the second place to be the most beautiful Asian woman in the world. Indeed, she is believed to be an actress who is able to match the achievements of Gong Li and Zhang Jia in the international film world. And the last but not the least, number 1. Zhang Yuqi. Zhang Yuqi deserves the first place of top 10 most beautiful Asian women of 2021. At the age of 24 years old, Zhang Yuqi has entered the Chinese entertainment industry and gained a place among the elite artists. Not only a beautiful, Zhang Yuqi also very smart and extremely hot. Well guys, that is the latest and greatest list of top 10 most beautiful Asian women of 2021. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please do hit that subscribe button and follow by the bell. Until next time, see ya.